Hi, welcome to today's double. We'll be doing lesson six. So we'll recap from last Friday. No, actually, yeah, last Friday. And the second period will start on exercise 1G. We'll take two lessons on that, but we'll start on that today. So the first thing is to go exercise lesson six, finish off exercise 1F. That's using the simple interest formula. Don't forget, you can, if you've got the program, it should be in My Documents called Financial Maths. You go to page 2, you'll have the yellow area, and all you do is fill in the principal, the interest rate, and the years, and your answer of the interest earned will be calculated. The second lesson, which is lesson 7, we need you to go to there, which is exercise 1G. And as I say, I want to take two lessons to do this. So only do the first video, okay? And in this first video, we're going to take the formula I equals PRT over 100, and we're going to make the other variables the subject. So we're going to find the principal, or the interest rate, or the time instead of the. So it'll be shown quite clearly how to do that. And then it's a case of going back and doing exercise 1G. Remember questions 1 to 8. Please don't forget to mark your attendance for week 8. Oh, I better put that up. And furthermore, remember, if you were to go to this and do the simple interest, go to page 2, yellow area. We can now use it to calculate things like the interest rate, time, or principal by changing the information as appropriately. So, any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. Have a good double lesson.